At least 2 people have died as the result of the ongoing storms inundating California, and nearly 10,000 residents are under evacuation orders, officials said, as intense flooding threatens several coastal counties. The powerful storms have delivered heavy rainfall across the central and northern parts of the state, prompting the Weather Prediction Center to issue Level 4 of 4 warning of excessive rainfall in the area. Meanwhile, the state of emergency declaration requested by Governor Gavin Newsom Thursday night has been approved by President Joe Biden, clearing the way for financial help in responding to the storm's onslaught and recovery, said Nancy Ward, director of the state's Office of Emergency Services. Some 25 million people are under flood alerts issued by the National Weather Service, and more than 25,000 are without electricity, according to PowerOutage.us. Some isolated areas of the state have received more than a foot of rain, according to the National Weather Service, as the heaviest rain will shift south and lessen in intensity this evening and into the overnight hours. But rain will continue through the weekend and could lead to more flooding concerns.